Good afternoon. This is Carlos Solis, aka Dr. Bootcamp. And in this video, I am excited to show you what one of the new capabilities of Power Apps is. This came with the latest Power Apps release in September, and that is the ability to use SharePoint Images field types to both read and write using Power Apps. But first, here's my intro. Okay, so let's take a look at what this is. It's going to be really simple. Here we have SharePoint, and in my data center site, I am going to create a new list. And I'll make this really simple. I'm going to create a blank list. I'm going to call it, like I always do, start with my initials. I call it Photos List. And really, I'm just going to add a new column for demonstration purposes. I am going to use the image type. I call it My Photos. Now, in the past, you could use this, and you could use the SharePoint interface to add photos here. But when it came down to the app, you could only read images. You could not insert images into your list using a Power App. Let's take a look at how it's done now. I'm just going to fire up this quick create app. I call it My Photos app, or empty Photos app, apparently. And this is really important to me because I teach newcomers, people who virtually have never used Power Apps or databases or SharePoint lists or anything like that. And they oftentimes want to add photos to their apps. So with this new capability, we no longer have to use attachments. We no longer have to use tricky coding. It's just point and click. Let's take a look at what the app looks like now. So here's the app. I selected, or it automatically selected the images title, subtitle, and body configuration. So let's run the app, add a new entry, and you can see here My Photos has now the tap or click to add picture field, no file chosen. So we're going to do that. I'm going to add this one, and then just going to call it skull glyph and save it. You can see here it is the thumbnail, and when I come to my details, it shows it right there. I could actually add a second one, just again for demo, and let's choose the snake. And there we go. Here we have the snake one. Now I can actually go and edit this one and replace that snake with this one. And here we are. It's pretty awesome. The one thing I noticed when I tried this earlier was that I cannot use that with SVG files, especially the replacement component. But Microsoft, this has been an awesome update. Totally appreciate it, and I know my students will love it because now it'll be a breeze for them to start adding photos to their apps. So until next one, this has been Carlos Solis, aka Dr. Bootcamp. If you like this video, please click on the likes and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.